Fáilte. Fáilte rash. Seo í teanga anama. Gone stress.
No stress.
Gone ladrón.
No ladrón.
Crack a one.
Oh yeah.
Crack a one. Crack a one. Today in Yuv, I am coming at you with another video mostly Asperla, mostly in English, in order to explain a recent news story that I published in short form on YouTube. The story was about BTS and their meeting with Claudia Scheinbaum. Let's dive right in. Iné, bhúil BTS an buachail bheanna a bhfuil tóir olbhar air. Alright, so that first sentence involves the word búil, which is the verb to meet, and in the past takes a H. Bhúil BTS le Claudia Scheinbaum. Bhúil an buachail bheanna. So we already know buachail is boy, buachail bheanna, boy band. A bhfuil tóir olbhar. Tóir is popularity or appeal, and olbhar is huge, enormous. So tóir olbhar, huge appeal, enormous appeal, from Corday Hyas. On Corday Hyas is from South Korea. So if Corday Hyas is South Korea, North Korea, bang bang bang, you got it. Corday Huig. Hyas, South, Huig, North. And I have my fantastic little graphic image music. We're setting the scene. We're excited. We're about to hear some fantastic news. Foilte go dtí ag tarlú an áit de nuacht idirnáisiúnta tríhuelga. An áit de nuacht idirnáisiúnta, either between náisiún, nation, idirnáisiúnta, between nations, international. Tríhuelga. So tree is the word for through. Tháinig BTS le chéile le Claudia Scheinbaum sa National Palace an 6 lá bealtaine 2026 chun stad a thuirs damhanda I gcathair Mheisico a chéiliúrtha agus chun ceangal cultúrtha a neartú. Chun stad a thuirs damhanda in Mexico City a chéiliúrtha. Chun is to. So here the word order gets a little tricky. What we're saying is to celebrate the conclusion or the stop on stad to their world tour, but we say chun stad in order to the stop to their world tour celebrate. Chun rud éigin a dhéanamh. That verb, céiliúrtha, isn't really a verb, it's a verbal noun, and it doesn't really exist as a verb. We can't say I celebrate. You would say I'm doing celebration, or I'm at celebration, or I'm looking for my birthday to celebrate. So that would be déanam céiliúrtha, I do celebration. Bhuailm bhreith lá a chéiliúrtha, I want to celebrate my birthday. Táim ag céiliúrtha, I am celebrating inniuh. Mar is é mar bhreith lá inniuh. Agus chun ceangal cultúrtha a nártú. So again we have chun, which is to. Ceangal is your link. Cultúrtha, cultural link. And neartú. Oh, don't get scared. Don't get scared of these massive guns. Chun ceangal cultúrtha a nártú is to strengthen cultural tie, cultural link. Rud a léirigh tionchar olmhór an grúpa mar ceann den na grúpaí popceol is mó ar domhan. So something, rud, a léirigh is the verb to show, tionchar, influence, olmhór, we've already seen, it means enormous, the enormous influence, an grúpa mar ceann den na grúpaí popceol is mó ar domhan, as one of, mar, as, ceann, one, then a groupie popceol is smó, biggest, ar domhan. Aithníodh freisin an tionchar aicneamíoch mór a bhain lena gcuairt a measach a bheith corrim le $1 million. It is also recognized. Aithníodh, difficult to pronounce, is from the verb ahin, which means to recognize. So aithníodh, it is recognized. It's the passive, a passive voice. Freisin also, so it is also recognized the economic influence. Tionchar aicneamíoch, to do with their visit. Cuairt is visit. And measach is the verb to estimate. A bheith corrim le $1 million So around Cochram le $1,000,000. You can guess what that is. The Namilta Army, sin an tanam a chugan na lot leúna arthú féin, bailthe taobh ag cána, ag scradál, agus ag tafada gach nóméid. The Mílta Army are the thousands of army, sin an tanam a chugan na lot leúna arthú féin. So sin an tanam, that's the name, a chugan, verb hug or tug, which is to give. That's the name that the Lucht Lenuna give arthú féin themselves. And Lucht Lenuna is audience or fans. Lucht Lenuna. Bailthe taobh amue. Bailig is the verb to collect. So bailthe is collected. Taobh amue, outside. Ag cána, ag scradál, agus ag tafada gach nóméid, ag tafada, recording. Tá cuid de dhaoine ag rá gur cóirda é seo ar an gairdh cultúrtha atá ag fás idir cóirde, cheas, agus eisco. Here, some people are saying gur cóirtha, symbol é seo ar an gairdh cultúrtha, so cultural relationship, again, atá ag fás, that is ag fás, growing, idir cóirde, cheas, agus Veshico. Dairig Horvor le BTS I Veshico, mar gur bhain a gceol mochucánach a léirdatha cóachtacha, agus a deachtartí faoi meabhair chláanta agus úlíonn go mór le daoine óga. Dairig Horvor le BTS in Veshico, they get along really well. They manage. Airig is the verb to manage or to succeed. So they succeed excellently in Mexico because of the emotional music, mochucánach, so mochucán, emotion, mochucánach, emotional, a léirithe cóachtacha, léirithe, lyrics, cóacht is power, so powerful is cóachtacha, agus a deachtarachtaí, what a word, deachtarachtaí is messages, faoi, about, meabhair chláanta, your meabhair, your mind, sláinte, is your health, so meabhair chláinte, your mental health. Agus a úlbhíonn, ambition, go mór le daoine óg. So it really runs with young people. The verb resonated is implied here rather than directly stated, which is common in Irish phrasing. Le cultúr passionta, Lucht Lenuna I Veshico, agus burda kpop ar líne, tá army Veshico, inis, ceann de na fandamana, BTS, is láidir ar down. Burda is rise or boom, growth, burda. Ceann de na fandamana, BTS is láidir ar down, is láidir, strongest in the world. It's one of the strongest fandoms of BTS in the world. Tá an army Veshico fós ar bís faoin scéal. Veshico, army Veshico, tá siad fós still ar bís. I love ar bís. It means Geshamini, it means excitement, time ar bís, buzzing. So tá army Veshico fós ar bís faoin scéal. That's the story. Lean mé le haid níos mó nuacht idirnáisiúnta trí Gaeilge. And then I just say lean mé, follow me, le haid, for or to do with, lean mé le haid nuacht idirnáisiúnta trí Gaeilge. International news through Irish. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and that you were not getting too demotivated. These are some very difficult phrases, some very difficult terminology that I'm using here. I'm obviously looking up a lot of these words, but we're in this together. Táimid anseo le chéile agus táimid ag fiosú gach lá. We are improving ag fiosú gach lá. Maragoni, mass, more, div, big respect to agus Sinead.